Hello everybody. Welcome to Inspirational Matters YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how we can earn thousands of dollars of passive income by creating apps. Yes, that's right. Apps without any coding knowledge with lowest possible cost. Let's dive in. Ever scrolled through the App Store and thought, I could make something like this? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people browse through countless apps, each with unique features and functionalities. Some apps entertain us, some educate us, and others help us manage our daily lives. The idea of creating an app that could potentially reach millions of users is incredibly exciting, isn't it? But often the thought of coding and the technical know-how required can be daunting, except here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding wizard anymore. The world of app development has evolved significantly. Today, there are numerous tools and platforms designed to make the process accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Imagine being able to bring your app idea to life without having to spend years learning how to code. It's not just a dream, it's a reality. That's right, building a profitable app is totally doable, even if you've never written a line of code. With drag-and-drop app builders, you can design and develop your app visually. These platforms provide pre-built templates and components that you can customize to fit your vision. You can focus on what truly matters, the user experience and the value your app provides. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about solving problems, adding value, and building something you're passionate about. The most successful apps are those that address a real need or problem. Think about the challenges you face in your daily life or the gaps you see in the market. Your app could be the solution that others are looking for. It's about creating something meaningful and impactful. We're going to break it down step by step with real talk and actionable advice. From brainstorming your idea to designing the user interface, from testing your app to launching it in the App Store, we'll guide you through each stage of the process. You'll learn how to market your app, gather user feedback, and continuously improve it. Get ready to turn that app dream into a reality. Let's go. The journey of app development is filled with learning and growth. It's an opportunity to bring your creative ideas to life and make a difference in the world. So buckle up and get ready to embark on this exciting adventure. Your app dream is possible, and we're here to help you every step of the way. First things first, you need an idea, not just any idea, a problem-solving idea. Look around your life, your community, your work. What bugs you? What's inconvenient? Have you ever encountered a problem in your daily life that just seems to have no easy solution? Maybe it's something small, like trying to remember where you left your keys, or something more significant, like managing your finances effectively. Maybe you're tired of sifting through messy spreadsheets. And in those moments, have you ever wished there was an app for that? An app that could make your life just a little bit easier, a little bit more organized, or a little bit more fun? Boom! That's the spark of a great app idea. It often starts with a simple thought, a light bulb moment, where you realize that technology could provide a solution to your problem. Think about the things you find frustrating or inefficient in your daily routine. These are the moments that can inspire innovation. Maybe you struggle to keep track of your grocery list, constantly forgetting items or buying duplicates. Or perhaps you wish there was an easier way to find reliable local dog walkers so you don't have to worry about your furry friend while you're at work. These everyday challenges are the seeds of innovative app solutions. When you identify a problem that affects you personally, you're more likely to understand the nuances and intricacies of the issue. Remember, the best app ideas often come from personal experiences. They are born out of a genuine need or desire to improve something in your own life. By identifying a problem that you genuinely want to solve, you are not only more likely to create a successful app, but you are also more likely to stay motivated throughout the development process. You're more invested in the outcome because it directly impacts you. This personal connection can drive you to overcome obstacles and push through challenges. So, the next time you find yourself frustrated by a recurring problem, take a moment to think about how an app could solve it. Your personal problem could be the inspiration for the next big app success story. You've got your brilliant idea, the one that keeps you up at night, the one that you believe could change the world or at least make a significant impact in your niche. But having an idea is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in validating it. So once you have a potential app idea, it's crucial to validate it through market research. This initial step can save you a lot of time, effort, and resources in the long run. By understanding the market landscape, you can refine your idea to better meet the needs of your target audience. Market research helps you identify gaps in the market, understand your competitors, and gauge the potential success of your app. It's not just about knowing if there's a demand, but also about understanding the nuances of that demand. Are there specific features that users are looking for? What are the pain points that your app can address? These insights are invaluable as you move forward with development. So it's process of checking if it holds water. This means diving deep into the nitty-gritty details, understanding the market landscape, and figuring out if there's a genuine demand for what you're offering. It's about more than just a gut feeling. It's about data, trends, and real-world feedback. This is where market research comes in. Tools like Sensor Tower are your new best friends. They provide invaluable insights into the competitive landscape. You can see which apps are trending, how they're performing, and what strategies they're using to succeed. Essentially, you get to spy on your competition. See what's already out there, how well they're doing, what people are saying about them. Read reviews, analyze user feedback, and understand the pain points and praises. This will help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities for your app to stand out. Don't get discouraged, learn from them. Every piece of information is a stepping stone. Define your target audience. Who are these people? What do they like? What are their habits, preferences, and pain points? The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your app to meet their needs. Where do they hang out online? Are they active on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter? Do they participate in forums or online communities? Understanding where your audience spends their time will help you reach them more effectively. In other words, this means understanding if there's a real demand for your solution and if people are willing to use and pay for it. Conducting surveys, focus groups, and interviews can provide direct feedback from potential users. Online forums, social media, and review sites are also treasure troves of information where you can learn about user preferences and complaints. By engaging with your target audience early on, you can build a product that truly resonates with them. Additionally, analyzing market trends and consumer behavior can help you anticipate future needs and stay ahead of the competition. So knowing your audience is key to crafting an app and marketing that resonates. It's not just about creating something you think is cool, it's about creating something that your audience will find valuable and indispensable. So take the time to do your homework, understand your market, and connect with your audience. This groundwork will set the stage for your app's success. Remember, you don't need expensive consultants to conduct effective market research. As mentioned, there are numerous affordable and even free tools available that can provide you with the data you need. For instance, Google Trends can show you the popularity of search terms over time, helping you understand what people are interested in. Social media analytics tools can give you insights into what content is engaging your audience. By leveraging these tools, you can gather a wealth of information without breaking the bank. Tools like Sensor Tower also give you valuable insights into app trends, download numbers, and revenue estimates for existing apps in your niche. This data can help you benchmark your app against competitors and identify opportunities for differentiation. You can see which features are driving downloads and which monetization strategies are most effective. By understanding the competitive landscape, you can make informed decisions about your app's development and marketing strategy. Don't forget to utilize the platforms like TikTok can reveal what's currently trending among your target audience, their pain points, and what solutions they're actively seeking. By analyzing popular content and user interactions, you can gain insights into what resonates with your audience. This can inform your app's features, design, and marketing messages. Staying attuned to trends on social media can also help you identify emerging opportunities and adapt quickly to changing user preferences. In summary, market research is a powerful tool that can guide your app development process, ensuring that you create a product that meets the needs of your target audience and stands out in a competitive market. With some market validation in hand, it's time to flesh out your app idea. Start by brainstorming the core features and functionalities. What problem does your app solve, and how will users interact with it? Sketching out your app's screens and user flow can be incredibly helpful at this stage. Don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is to visualize how your app will function and how users will navigate through it. These sketches will serve as a blueprint for the next stage development. Before diving into development, it's crucial to create a prototype of your app. This intermediate step helps you visualize the user experience and gather feedback before committing time and resources to full-scale development. Start with low-fidelity wireframes, which are essentially rough sketches of your app's screens. Tools like Balsamic or even simple pen and paper can be useful here. The goal is to map out the user journey and identify any potential pain points or areas for improvement. Next, move on to creating a high-fidelity prototype using tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD. These tools allow you to add more detail and interactivity to your wireframes, making them look and feel like a real app. This is where you can experiment with different design elements, user interactions, and navigation flows. Prototyping not only helps you refine your app concept, but also provides a valuable asset when pitching your idea to potential investors or collaborators. It's much easier to convey your vision with a tangible, interactive prototype than with abstract concepts or static images. Remember, the goal of prototyping is not to create a perfect, final product, but to iterate and improve upon your initial ideas. Be open to feedback and ready to make changes as needed. Hey there, future app developing moguls. How are you going so far? Before we dive into the next incredible details of building your actual app like a pro, we have a quick request for you. If you're enjoying these tips and finding them useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. We're committed to bringing you the best strategies and insights to help you succeed. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create valuable content tailored just for you. So join our community and let's grow together. Now let's move on to the next exciting details of building your app like a pro. Now for the fun part, actually building the darn thing. That's where no-code platforms come in, revolutionizing the app development landscape. These platforms empower anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to build fully functional apps. Platforms like Bubble, Adalo, Thunkable, Fliplet, and Glide that make app creation visual and intuitive, and Twinar offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and easy-to-understand logic flows. Think of it like building with digital Legos. You've got pre-built components, drag-and-drop functionality, and templates to get you started. You focus on the big picture, the design, the flow, the user experience, without getting bogged down in code. Next up, feature focus. Don't boil the ocean. Solve one thing well. It's tempting to cram your app with every bell and whistle imaginable. Resist the urge. Focus on your core value proposition, the one thing your app does better than anything else. Do you help people learn a language, manage their finances, find the perfect dog walker? Nail that core feature first. You can always add more later based on user feedback and demand. Need backup? Smart ways to hire developers. Okay, so maybe you need a little extra firepower. Hiring a developer doesn't have to break the bank. While no-code platforms offer incredible flexibility, you might need a developer's touch for complex features or highly customized designs. The good news is that you can easily find skilled freelance developers without breaking the bank. Platforms like Upwork, TopTal, and Fiverr connect businesses with freelance developers worldwide. When hiring, crystal clearly outline your project scope, budget, and timeline. Look for developers with experience in your app's specific niche. Carefully review developers' portfolios, read client reviews, and don't hesitate to request quotes from multiple candidates. Communication is key. Regular check-ins and feedback will keep the project on track. Marketing magic gets your app seen by everyone. You've built an awesome app. Now shout it from the rooftops. Building a great app is just the first step. You need to get it in front of your target audience. This means you need to have a comprehensive marketing plan that covers various aspects of digital marketing. From social media campaigns to influencer partnerships, every strategy should be aimed at increasing your app's visibility and driving downloads. A well-planned marketing strategy is essential for driving downloads and building a user base. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs and preferences. This will help you tailor your marketing messages and choose the right channels to reach them. Leverage the power of social media by creating engaging content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms offer a unique opportunity to connect with potential users through creative and interactive content. Consider running contests, sharing user-generated content, and collaborating with influencers to amplify your reach. Create engaging content that showcases your app's value. Think snappy videos, eye-catching graphics, user testimonials. Don't forget App Store optimization or ASO. App Store optimization or ASO is equally crucial. ASO involves optimizing your app's listing to improve its visibility in App Store search results. This includes using relevant keywords, writing a compelling app description, and selecting the right app category. This involves using relevant keywords in your app's title and description to improve its visibility in App Store search results. Additionally, focus on getting positive reviews and ratings, as these can significantly impact your app's ranking. Regularly update your app to fix bugs and add new features, which will encourage users to leave positive feedback. By combining a strong social media presence with effective ASO techniques, you can maximize your app's reach and ensure its success in a competitive market. Think of it like SEO for the App Store. Turning your app into a business monetization strategies. Once you have users engaged with your app, it's time to think about monetization. How will your app make it rain? Several strategies can help you generate revenue and turn your app into a sustainable business. You can offer a freemium model, basic version free, premium features paid, in-app purchases, subscriptions, and etc. In-app purchases allow users to unlock additional features or content within your app. Subscriptions offer premium content or services for a recurring fee. Advertising, while less intrusive than it used to be, can still provide a steady stream of income, especially for apps with a large user base. So experiment and see what works best for your audience. Remember, the goal is to create something valuable that people are happy to pay for. Crunching the numbers, costs, and potential earnings. Before launching your app, it's essential to have a realistic understanding of the costs involved and the potential revenue it can generate. Initial costs might include app development, if you hire freelance developers, design, testing, and marketing. So depending on free and paid services use, the startup cost can be somewhere from $500 to $5,000, depending on the complexity of the app. Potential revenue depends on your app's monetization strategy, the size of your target market, and user engagement. There are some developers making more or less $10,000 to $40,000 a month, depending on their individual circumstances, dedication, hard working, and commitments. Keep climbing. This is just the beginning. You've taken the first step on an incredible journey. Just like climbing a mountain, launching an app is filled with challenges and triumphs. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal, but remember, reaching the peak is just the start of a new adventure. Congratulations, you've launched your app into the world. This is a moment to celebrate, a milestone that marks the culmination of countless hours of hard work, dedication, and creativity. But don't rest on your laurels just yet. The launch is merely the beginning of a much larger journey, but this is just the beginning. The road ahead is long and filled with opportunities for growth and improvement. Think of your app launch as the dawn of a new day, full of potential and promise. The horizon is vast and your journey has only just begun. The app world is constantly evolving. Listen to your users, track your metrics, and stay agile. User feedback is invaluable. It provides insights that can guide your next steps. Regularly analyze data to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Engage with your team in brainstorming sessions to foster innovation and creativity, and be prepared to iterate and improve. The development process doesn't end with the launch. It's an ongoing cycle of refinement and enhancement. Late nights and continuous updates are part of the journey. Embrace the process of designing new features and making your app better with each iteration. Building a successful app is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay curious, stay persistent, and never stop learning. Just like training for a marathon, it requires endurance, patience, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Keep educating yourself, stay updated with the latest trends, and always be open to learning new skills. Now go out there and make it happen. Confidence and teamwork are key. Celebrate small victories along the way and keep pushing forward. Your determination and hard work will pay off. The world is waiting for your innovation, so step out with confidence and make your mark. With the right idea, the right tools, and a good dose of determination, anyone can bring their app vision to life. Remember to start with a problem you're passionate about solving, validate your idea through market research, and leverage the power of no-code platforms to simplify development. Oh, and if you found this helpful, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips, tricks, and advice to help you on your journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to the channel for more game-changing advice. You got this. Remember, every great app started with a single idea and a lot of perseverance. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and never lose sight of your vision. You've got the potential to achieve greatness. Let's make it happen together. Thank you.